We the boys. We cater. When you tell your boss it's a two-person job. There you go.
There we go.
And we were supposed to measure it, not just squeegee it.
We're leaving a star.
Oh no. Done. Alright, I'll do the holding. If you want to do the squeegeeing. Cool. Coming around.
Do any one of the big squeegees for Perf?
24 inches.
Yeah.
They could be useful.
I mean, I'd use it for a lot of stuff other than this, but still, yeah. I also feel like it would help with the streaks.
Yeah, it would. You're not wrong. Why is it always when we're like on site doing something, we're like, oh, we should get this? Never when it's like, when I'm like on the computer, on the website, like, hey, what else do we need?
You're like, what kind of tools do you want? I'm like, I don't know. I've got everything.
Good ones.
I need gloves.
Hang on. I wasn't quite ready.
I'll tell you what we need for the shop. A picture of Borat, like on the wall, as like instead of the be no do thing,
Yeah.
it'll just be Borat and say, "Great success."
Here.
Oh,
You want this piece of tape? Just peel both sides at the same time.
meet in the middle.
I don't think it works like that.
It doesn't work.
That's how I like to do it.
No, you know better. Now there's gonna be a little line in the middle of the pants.
See, I just wouldn't have squeegeed that part. I'd have just...
There's only one way to put stickers on, and it's my way, guys.
Yeah. My way, or... That S looks funny.
Yep, it's still got the white in it.
Huh.
On both.
Oh, I see. You need a hand, or you got it?
I can tell by the way he looks at me, cause
This is like ultimate efficiency of laying decals.
dude, we're like the boys.
Dude, hit the top of the D! Get the top of the D!
We should.
We the boys!
Hold up.
We cater!
So we don't cater. We don't have anything to cater.
We do cater to people's needs. Alright, you do that side, let me do this side.
I feel like me and Ann were like, they put something on the table that clearly doesn't need to.
And we were supposed to measure it, not just squeegee it.
I do have a better.
Let me get behind
I do
that.
have a better squeegee technique.
There we go.
Now I think about it.
Yeah, there we go.
Like 3M actually made a video based on my technique.
This is getting some good up close shots of the squeegee.
Should I make ASMR sounds?
I think you already are. Are you doing ASMR or Donald Duck? Because I can't tell. Oh gosh, there's like a whole line you forgot to squeegee.
Where?
Hang on.
literally don't see it. Where do you see the
There we go.
line?
We're good now.
Okay.
This is when you tell your boss it's a 2-person job.
It's funny because you're like the boss.
No. You grab the bottom. Grab the bottom of the squeegee.
I'm confused.
There you go.
There we go. This is great. You hear the bubbles popping because we've got more force. Dude, we're gonna go to the ISA next year and give a course on efficiency.
It's always good if you two-hand the squeegee.
You go, Bubby. Where's my 6-inch one? I see it.
Well, it's blue on blue.
I see it.
I got about a 1/2 inch hanging off the edge over here.
I got 4.
Okay, that's pretty good right there. You gonna do the first one? Okay.
I thought that was magnetic.
I would have thought it is. Yeah, just go about an inch below the top of your bracket. Okay, beautiful. Let me grab this here level. Okay, that looks pretty good if you want to go ahead and shoot your second screw. And I'd go towards the bottom. Hey. Yep. Okay. Got it. Easy peasy. Graphic installation brought to your audience today by us, you and me. Or just a couple of guys. Regular dudes. Being guys. Okay. Should we do it now? Oh, Lori. Yeah. Okay, so I'm just gonna kind of stick it. Go with it over there. So ripply dipply. Here, feel the whole thing.
Leaving a scar.
Oh no.
I got it.
Careful. Jeez Louise. Dios mío. Hey.
There we go. That worked better.
Okay.
There we go.
Don't worry, I won't let go.
Smart.
Good now. Oh, cool. And you don't even got to trim against the wall there. Okay.
Just up there.
Very careful, very careful. It's usually when it does it.
The spot of business. As you love to.
Hey, before you center it and stick it, hang on. The head, the like dad logo guy goes up here too.
Oh.
Yeah, so it may not be centered.
So it's probably not very centered.
Yeah,
Which side does his head go?
this side,
Oh.
over here,
Oh.
over here.
I wanted to know how they went on this wall.
No, he goes over here with this. Because it's like he's saying, eat a bag of old dads. Kind of deal.
Get back of what?
Old dads.
Oh, yeah. So play on
You think you can trim that triangle up there?
Here, I can get that.
Okay. It's the last piece of this puzzle. Snag that piece of tape while you're right there, too, bud. There you go, there, tape it. There you go.